Namaste and welcome to Madhu's English Academy. 2020. This year can be considered as a year of changes. Similarly, our CBSE has also made lot of changes in the question paper pattern of classes 10 and 12. One among those changes is writing an analytical paragraph under writing section for class 10. What is analytical paragraph writing? In this video, you are going to learn the format, tips, and you are going to see few examples of analytical paragraph. Shall we go to the video? What is an analytical paragraph? An analytical paragraph is a form of descriptive writing which is written on the basis of a given chart, graph, data, outline, clues, table, etc. When writing an analytical paragraph, one should remember to describe the facts in the best possible manner and to cover the information provided. The analytical paragraph has to be written in around 100 to 120 words. So, the paragraph must use clear and crisp language along with providing complete details of the chart given in the question. There will be an internal choice question given. The question carries 5 marks. Let us look at the features of an analytical paragraph. It describes the given chart, table, data, graph, cues, etc. It should be brief and comprehensive at the same time. It should state facts that are provided by the chart. It is necessary to make use of simple and accurate language. It should mention the figures and quantities appropriately. It is very important to use the same tense throughout the paragraph. No personal observation or response should be used. While writing an analytical paragraph, always remember to cover 3 parts: introduction, body of the paragraph, and conclusion. Start the paragraph with an introduction in 1 or 2 lines related to the subject of the graph given. Then, explain in detail about the graph, use relevant figures, explain trends, make comparison and contrasts, divide into subparagraphs if required. Conclude the paragraph giving the overall view or the summary of the graph. Example: Children, in this video you will learn to write an analytical paragraph. I'll meet you soon with another video. Until then, it's thank you and bye-bye from Madhu's English Academy. Thank you.